Okay, now that we have Excel all set up to work on our devices, let's turn our attention to the task at hand, which is to create and interpret histograms using Excel. I'm just going to turn it over to my other screen here. Again, this is our goal. As I said, interpreting histograms using Excel. So I'm going to try to condense all this into one video here, talking about covering the various things that are going to be asked or should be asked while you're in Newton on this topic. One, you'll be asked to choose the correct graph for my list, comparing to what you created there in Excel. And then you'll be asked what would be the upper limit that has the greatest frequency. We'll talk about creating specific range categories, because a histogram in given increments, we'll talk about that as well, because when you, depending on what your range is of the increments you're going up there, your histogram can look quite different. So we want to be able to do what they're asking us to do there. And then also the shape. We've talked about shape before. We're just now using it from Excel. Using this information we've used before, applying Excel to answer that question. And then we'll ask, like, what would be the frequency of certain data over a given range, such as less than, greater than, or some value in between two values. We'll be sure to cover all of those in the next few minutes of this video. Okay, those things being said, let's go ahead and get started.